What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but look, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Y'all, what's good, man? I know it's been a minute once again. I do apologize. Look, are you disciplined? You know what I'm saying? So are you disciplined? That's the question of the day. But in order to get to that next level, you have to be disciplined. You know what I'm saying? And discipline can mean a lot of things. One thing that I noticed when it comes to being disciplined is that it's actually pretty hard. It's not like something that's very easy, but it do become easy once you set a routine with it, you know? So for me, for example, my strategy is in New York session, right? Discipline would mean not taking any trades in any other sessions. Okay, a lot of traders are going to disagree as far as one session, whatever, because that's what they believe. But honestly, I only trade NAS 100, no regular pairs, nothing else. All right, crypto, nothing, just NAS 100. When it comes to it, I know when to trade and when not to trade. All right. That could be the thing that's holding a lot of traders back. All right, it's trading the wrong times. All right, you know when it's the best time to trade your strategy, but you're getting anxious, you're getting excited, you're getting greedy. You know, you gotta grow out of that. All right, you gotta grow out of that. Also journaling, like I mentioned in my last video. All right, I'm gonna put the link to this right here. This is one of the best. This is really the only Forex journal I ever really bought. It does. All right, if y'all can see that, you got weekly review, your performance, stuff like that, errors that you need to tighten up on. Let me go in here some more. You can also write out a trading plan. All right, look, monthly review. All right, you got weekly, monthly. All right, and then you got your daily. Then you got your daily trades. All right, how you felt, all that good stuff. So I will put the link to this in the bio. I will put a link to this journal in the description, because I do have a lot of people that have been DMing me asking me where did I get the journal. All right, because I have been mentioning it to my mentees and getting those to them as well. I say, guys, you have to know. You just have to know what you're doing wrong and what you're doing right, so you can eliminate and keep doing what you're doing that is helping you elevate. All right, and then eliminate what's not. So that's all it comes down to with that, guys. So I do have a 300K account. That's the one thing I did not get to update you guys on. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it will be down below. But in the last video, I talked about the 200K challenge, how I passed that. So I still have the 200K. All right, and then now I have the 300K account that my Forex funds came out with, which was a limited edition. So I had to go ahead and get it, beat it. I passed it, and I am on the 300K live at this moment. If you go back and look at some of my videos, I mentioned it's very important that you just don't stick with one account. Now, it's okay if you want to stick with one account and just grow one account and stuff like that. But I find it more easier when you have multiple accounts, all right? Multiple ways to use your capital. This was the trade I took Friday. I don't think any of my other trades are on here because I do delete them every day, so I don't have a bias. But yeah, guys, everything good, man. Starting with the 19th, all right? It was last week. TP smash, all right, right there. All right, here we got out early, so we stepped out, and then we got in a buy. All right, as you can see, then TP smash right there. Okay, and then here, same thing happened right here. All right, same thing happened right here. It came halfway down, and then we had to switch, and then TP actually hit that day. I didn't end up reposting it. All right, and then here was Friday where we took that sale. As you can see, I still had that arrow there. At the end of the day, are you disciplined, guys? Honestly, are you disciplined? That's all it come down to. Fruit juice, man, it's another thing I've been doing. I've been on a fruit diet for about a month now, a month and 2 weeks now. Buy your juicer, go get you some watermelon, all right, and juice your fruit. You don't have to do watermelon. I do watermelon because to me that's the best fruit. and it just tastes so good whether you're eating it or drinking it. So definitely focus on your health. The money gonna be there if you're working and showing up every single day. All right, every single day. If you're still trying to trade $500, you get what I'm saying? Which is it's not bad. If that's your preference, then do that. But guys, you can literally take that 500. Like I've been preaching this so long. Stop stressing yourself out trading money that you need. All right, so that 500 that you need, just wait. Use that for what you actually need, and just keep practicing until you actually have money to invest into the market. All right, because if you're sitting here gambling with money that you need, let's say it's rent money, car money, insurance, whatever, baby food money, whatever, and you sitting here trying to risk that, it's gonna be so long till your luck run out. If you don't have a consistent strategy, okay, if you don't have a consistent trading system that's gonna allow you to make money every single day, then you're literally on the verge of being broke, because the market will take it. It don't care about your bills. It don't care about what you need. So you got to come into the game knowing that the money that you're using is an investment, okay? So the same way you will go start a business, the bank will give you a loan and all this good stuff, okay? It's the same way these prop firms work. You go to the prop firm, you put a little bit down to get a bigger account to make more capital. It's that simple. It's that simple. But the mental is, don't say, oh, I got 100K, 200K, 300K. I'm about to go crazy. No, it's not that you about to go crazy. You can go crazy, but in a good way. You get what I'm saying? You can use risk management and go crazy. Last week, I did 18K only risking $800 per trade. Do you get what I'm saying? And I'm not here to just brag and talk about me, but it's just, are you disciplined? Are you disciplined? Are you doing what it is that you know you need to be doing? Are you not doing the things that you know you shouldn't be doing? Are you trading outside your session? Are you over leveraging? All right. What are you doing? Are you journaling? Are you working out? Are you sitting on the charts all day? If that's your problem, after you watch this video, do something different. All right. Do something different. Don't keep sitting in the same issues. Don't keep sitting in the same problems. If you want a different outcome, you have to do something different. All right. Another thing, guys, don't get caught up with social media, man. I said it in my last video as well. Do not get caught up in social media. Focus on yourself. And I'm telling y'all, like, that's why I really haven't made a YouTube video in a minute. I just been so locked in with myself. I had somebody the other day say, oh, you ain't nothing, Woodoo. All you do is, because they was hating. They was mad about something, right? Let me tell you something. Forex, you don't have to have any other income stream. Literally, if you learn Forex, it can be your only income stream that you will ever need. Other stuff is extra. So, of course, I have multiple other income streams that I'm invested in right now, okay? Just because I don't talk about it or just because I don't show it does not mean it's not happening. I have to understand that. So, make sure you focus, man. Make sure you discipline. Make sure you locked in with yourself so you can be able to, you know, elevate to the next level. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell. My Instagram will be down below, and the link to the journal will be down below. Other than that, I'm out.